Hi there. I'm Godfrey Shane Ogena, G for short, your virtual partner, ally, and buddy. I help my client become successful by providing virtual tasks such as social media manager, lead generation, email marketing, virtual assistant, customer service representative, operations partner, researcher, admin assistant, email and calendar management. That is why I was recognized as a key talent and a positive contributor to the company I work with. My expertise spans sales, customer service, operations management, research, data analytics, bookkeeping, and leadership. Here are the samples, also the proof that I was recognized as the key talent and a positive contributor from my previous employer. With that, I am committed to provide quality work output and value oriented results to all my clients. But you're probably here because you want to know what it looks like working with me. Well, these are the tools and software I will be using. And also, I am proficient in using this to help me maximize the results and my potential when we work together. And here are the HubSpot, LinkedIn, Trello, ClickUp, Monday.com, Outlook, ClassIn, Asana, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Voove, ClassIn, Apollo.io, Zendesk, Notion, Canva, Strikingly, Create Studio, Buffer, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta Business Suite, 11 Labs, built-in, Calendly, and most of all, the Google Workspace, Metricool, and Flicky. I can work with you in 20 to 30 hours in a week. This will help you save that time in doing admin tasks, preparing content, customer service, and other clerical works. So you can now focus in more generating revenue strategies that will grow your business. So work with me and you will have that extra time. Also, um hoping that I get your interest to call me for discovery call. I will be sharing with you soon my static and animated assets, but I will not discuss it further today. Also, my strategies for being your social media manager soon. Also, being your virtual assistant. Also, the skills I will be using also to provide a quality oriented service. The pricing, plan and pricing, the virtual assistance pricing, and also it can also be the blended service, which is social media manager and virtual assistants at the same time. Also, I will be discussing soon the terms and condition and the packages. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, get fresh with me, and connect with me with the following. You can choose from these different channels. Also, if you want to know more about me, just click me button, and you will see how I work with. So here it is when you click it. So thank you and have a nice day.